In the previous video, we've discussed how important keywords are for customers to be able to find your images. And you've seen how to save yourself a lot of effort and time by attaching keywords to your image directly. So when you upload it to different agencies, the keywords will already be there for you. Now, coming up with 40 different keywords for your image can seem to be a daunting task, and it can be. And that's why there is a solution to make your life easier. The solution is provided by Shutterstock. There used to be a couple of online tools, and there still are a couple of online tools, but recently Shutterstock themselves introduced an keywording tool or keywording suggestion tool to help you come up with more and more accurate keywords for your images. So let's have a look at that and let's see what it can do for us. Just go over to Shutterstock. And on the top panel, in Portfolio button, you will find the very last keyword suggestions. So just click that. And it tells you that you're able to keyword your images and videos faster, which is correct. So remember our image, it's basically image of looking up in the forest of eucalyptus trees. What this tool does for you is you describe your image in 2, 3, 4 keywords. Try to be as descriptive as possible, and it will show you many other images that already are in the Shutterstock collection. So let's just try that with our image of eucalyptus trees. 2, 3, and we're looking up. Let's search for this. And what we get here is hundreds and hundreds of images of eucalyptus tree, or to be more precise, images that have these keywords attached to them. What we need to do right now is find the images that look most like the image that we are going to submit, the most similar images to ours. So because our image is looking up in a forest of eucalyptus trees, this one looks very similar, this one as well. And scrolling down, we also find this one, this image right here. Now, we do not want to select images of eucalyptus flowers, for example, or close-ups of individual leaves, because those are not related to our image as much. So we select 1 or 2 more and hit the Get Keywords button. And this little thing comes up containing the keywords taken from the images we've selected. So these are keywords that have been used with images that are very similar to the image we are going to submit. These have already been suggested, and we have a couple of more to select from down here. Because eucalyptus is an Australian plant, we are going to select Australia as well. We are not going to select factory, for example, because there is nothing related to factories in our image. And remember, keyword spamming is not a way to go. It's a not good way to play the game, and you will get punished for doing that. You will get punished either by getting your images rejected by editors or by getting low sales, because some agencies prefer less keywords but more accurate. Our image is quite a decent background image, so we'll select background as well. And yeah, that's about it. We have 29 keywords, which is okay. Shutterstock has a limit of 50 keywords per image, but some other agencies have lower limits, so you always want to try to keep your number of keywords under 40. Now we'll copy these to clipboard by clicking copy to clipboard. And we go back to Lightroom and just paste these in. Lightroom will order these alphabetically for us. And now we can check if we're missing something in the set of keywords we've got here. If we do, we can always add more. And I think this image should include the keyword treetop as well. So I'll add treetop there. Treetop. And now we are ready to attach the images to the keyword. So we'll do that by right-clicking or control-clicking on the image. And under metadata, we'll hit Save Metadata to File. Saving is completed, and now we have the keywords attached to our image. Useful thing about Lightroom is it has quite a handy tool for editing keywords and titles, and it also allows for batch editing, so you can select multiple images, and if they are similar enough, you can add the keywords for all these images together in one blow. Okay, now we're done with editing this image and attaching keywords to it, so we're ready for exporting. So I'll just export this image, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be uploading this image to agencies.